builder. A builder is a person who helps construct buildings, houses, and other structures. Builders are essential in creating the homes, schools, offices, and shops that we use every day. Their job involves physical work, planning, and the use of various tools and materials to create safe and functional structures. One of the main tasks of a builder is to follow building plans. Architects and engineers design the buildings, and the builder's job is to turn those plans into reality. This requires understanding the blueprints and knowing where each part of the building should go. Builders work closely with other professionals, such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters, to make sure everything is done correctly. Builders often start their day early. They arrive at the construction site, which could be in a city, a town, or even in the countryside. Before any building can begin, they need to prepare the site. This means clearing the land, setting up safety barriers, and marking out where the foundations will be laid. Preparing the site properly is important because it ensures the building will be strong and stable. One of the first steps in constructing a building is laying the foundation. The foundation is the base of the building, and it supports everything that will be built on top. Builders dig the ground and pour concrete to create a strong foundation. Once the foundation is ready, they start building the walls, floors, and roof. This part of the job requires a lot of physical strength, as builders need to lift and move heavy materials, like bricks, cement, and steel beams. Builders use many different tools in their work. They use hammers, saws, drills, and measuring tapes to cut and shape materials. They also use machines like cranes, diggers, and concrete mixers to help with heavy tasks. Safety is very important on a construction site, so builders must wear protective gear such as hard hats, gloves, and boots to avoid injury. Building a house or a building takes time. It's a step-by-step process. First, builders construct the outer structure, which includes the walls and roof. After that, they work on the interior, putting in floors, windows, and doors. Sometimes, they also install insulation to keep the building warm in winter and cool in summer. Once the main structure is complete, other workers, like plumbers and electricians, come in to install water pipes and electrical wiring. Communication is key in a builder's job. Builders need to talk to each other and to other professionals on the site to make sure everything goes smoothly. If there is a problem, such as a delay in getting materials, builders need to find a solution quickly to keep the project on track. Teamwork is important as many builders work together on large projects. Builders must also follow strict safety rules. Construction work can be dangerous if it is not done carefully. For example, working at heights or with heavy equipment can lead to accidents. Builders need to make sure that they and their team follow all safety regulations to avoid injuries. This includes using scaffolding correctly, securing tools, and making sure everyone on site knows what to do in an emergency. Some builders specialize in certain types of construction. For example, some builders focus on building houses, while others may specialize in constructing roads, bridges, or skyscrapers. Each type of construction requires different skills and materials, but all builders need to have a strong understanding of how structures are built and how to make them safe. Builders also need to have good problem-solving skills. On a construction site, things do not always go as planned. Weather can cause delays, or materials may arrive late. Builders must be able to adapt and find solutions to keep the project moving forward. Sometimes they need to make changes to the original plans to deal with unexpected problems, but they must always make sure the building remains safe and strong. Training is important for becoming a builder. Most builders learn their skills through apprenticeships or on-the-job training. They start as laborers, helping more experienced builders and learning how to use tools and materials. Over time, they gain experience and take on more responsibility. Some builders may also attend trade schools to learn about building techniques, safety, and new technologies in construction. Being a builder can be a rewarding job. Builders take pride in seeing a project go from an empty piece of land to a completed building. They know that the work they do will last for many years and that people will live, work, or study in the buildings they help create. The job also allows for creativity, as builders can find new ways to solve problems and improve their work. However, the job of a builder can also be challenging. Builders often work outdoors, which means they have to deal with different weather conditions, like rain, wind, or extreme heat. They may also have to work long hours, especially if a project needs to be finished by a certain deadline. The physical demands of the job can be tiring, and builders need to stay fit and healthy to keep up with the work. Builders also play an important role in making buildings environmentally friendly. Today, many builders are trained to use eco-friendly materials and techniques. For example, they may install solar panels or use materials that can be recycled. Green building practices help reduce the environmental impact of construction and make buildings more energy efficient. In conclusion, the job of a builder is vital to creating the homes, schools, and workplaces that people use every day. Builders work with many different materials and tools to construct safe and functional buildings. They need to be skilled, strong, and good at solving problems. While the job can be tough, it is also rewarding, as builders get to see their hard work become a finished product that will be used for many years to come.